Welcome back, guys. It's time for another update on my Minoxidil beard journey. This is day 154. It's 22 weeks that I have been using Minoxidil twice a day. Now, I've been a little bit lazy with dermarolling the past couple of weeks and I haven't done it, so I need to make sure I do that, especially before this beard gets any longer. I bought some more of the Rogaine foam because I ran out of the Equate brand. Let's show you the close-up now. This is 3 weeks of growth from a very close trim. You can see on my left side I have a straighter cheek line than I do on the right. On the right it kind of dips down. That's okay, I can just clean it up a little bit right there. If you look at the connector on the right, or the lack thereof, there's not much there, as opposed to the left, where it's starting to come in a little bit. And on the underlip, not much progress in the past few weeks. It's a little bit better than when I started. Here's the neck. This little area here is a little bit patchy. It's not too bad though. And if I grew it out any decent length of time, I don't think you'd be able to notice it. Same with these areas right in here on both sides, especially on this one. If this part of my beard were to grow down, it would cover that patch pretty well, I'm sure. Thank you for all the support, guys. I'm about at 385 subscribers, so that's awesome. Once I hit 500, I'm going to be giving away a few months supply of Minoxidil, so keep a lookout for that if you want a chance to win some Minoxidil. And just thank you for watching these videos. I will catch you next week.